Address. Address.
Address. Address. To think about a problem or a situation and decide how you are going to deal with it. Your essay does not address the real issues. The policy fails to address the needs of people on low incomes. To write on an envelope, etc., the name and address of the person, company, etc. that you are sending it to by mail. The letter was correctly addressed, but delivered to the wrong house. Address your application to the general manager. To make a formal speech to a group of people. The president has been asked to address the assembly.